Hello everyone, thanks for joining me, and today I'm sitting on the toilet once again, except this time my pants are up, and we're going to talk about how to fix the water level that may be low in your toilet, where you're going to go and use the toilet and the water level is just very low. I'm going to show you how to take care of that and fix it right here, right now. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a situation where you may have a very low water level in your toilet. And I'm going to show you how to fix it, why it's probably happening, and how to fix it. The toilet water gets to a certain level inside the toilet post-flush, okay? So the water that goes into the toilet goes into the tube here. So, and this is a canister toilet, but you may have a tube toilet. I'm going to put a picture of what that tube would look like. You're either going to have one of these canisters or one of these tubes. Either way, there will be a hose that goes into there, all right? Now, if the hose has been dislodged and it's, say, out here and not going into the tube, then the water is only filling up the tank and not going inside of the toilet here. All right, now, so if your tube is installed properly, then your situation could be that your water flow through the tube is not sufficient. And this particular flush valve has got a dial here where you can set the flow, the amount of water that goes through the tube and into the toilet bowl. So in this one you've got a plus and a minus. You can turn it this way, counterclockwise in this situation will let more water through, and clockwise will let less. So you can test it by flushing. You can adjust it a little bit, and it's not going to take that much. So don't go too far. You can adjust it, flush, and then watch your toilet fill up and see if the water level is to your liking. And if it's too much, you can go back the other way. You can go more to the minus. If it's too little, you go a little bit more, okay? But that's exactly how you fix a situation where the toilet water is not high enough, the water level is not high enough between each flush. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Please give me that like if I've solved this problem for you. Ask me any questions you may have down in the comments section down below. And watch my playlist I've got a whole playlist of videos on how to fix toilets. So, and of course all the other playlists on home improvement. Please give me that like, subscribe please, I appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day.